Hey guys, Junaid here from Unity Performance, and today we'll be installing an Acura Integra Type S ADS module on a Honda Civic Type R FL5. As you can see, all the bolts in this process will be 10 mil. First, you're going to grab the bolt between the bench and the backrest of the rear seats, and then underneath the bench there will be a little push tab that you need to push and then pull towards the front, and it'll release, and then you should be able just to lift out the bench seat from the car.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel
Next, there will be a little 10 mil bolt that's at the bottom of the side airbag.
on the run to the other side.
Next, you're going to pull down the backrest, and underneath that little panel there will be another 10 mil bolt for you to remove. Next, you'll be popping out the side airbag panel, and it's a little hard. You gotta get your hand on the side there and pull it towards the front of the car, and it should pop right off. And there's the ADS module. Now, just push on the little tab for the connector and pull down, and it should pop right out.
But you never
Nice and simple. Two 10 mil nuts, one on the top, one on the bottom.
know why we lose. You say you won't.
And there you have it. ADS module on an FL5 is out. Quick and simple. Now, the difference between the FL5 and the DE5 module is the DE5 is a little bit softer in all three modes than the FL5. As it's a little bit stiff sometimes, and definitely in Plus R it's a bit bouncy, the DE5 is a bit softer. Most owners agree that it is a better ride, drive, and feel all around. And installation is just the reverse of the removal. You gotta stick the new ADS back in. And of course, you're gonna put the two 10 mil nuts back on the studs. From there, just tighten the nuts using the ratchet or wrench that you were using before. Of course, take the connector, put it in the ADS module, and push until it clicks in. Then you're gonna line up the airbag panel back up. Make sure to push from top to bottom, make sure all the clips pop in. Double check all the way top to bottom again just to make sure it's all in. Then tighten up the bolt on the side. Finally, for the airbag panel, you're going to put the bolt to the bottom and tighten it down. Then grab the bench sheet, throw it back in, and you'll see that little metal hook on the far side will have to line up where the bolt goes. It's a little finicky, you got to fiddle around with it to get it to line up, make sure the seat belts are set, and then you got to put the bolt back in and tighten it down. And that's it. ADS module from the Integra Type S installed on an FL5 Civic.